What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Look where we are, you guys. My store is finally stocked up with everything for back to school. I am going to be filming so many videos back here for you guys. School supplies, locker decor, they just have everything. But one thing that you guys have been requesting for quite some time now is another locker decor video. You guys click right here if you want to see last year's locker decor video and you can compare this year versus last year. Okay, let's just start right here. We have cute little photo frame magnets for $2.99, little clothespins that match for $2.99, cute little shiny magnets for $3.99. Ooh, I like this. This is a pineapple hook magnet for your locker to hold your keys for $4.99. These are some little locker stickers. They're tropical magnets, so they're kind of giving us the whole like floral, pink and green tropical vibe for this coming school year. This is a little mesh cup for $3.49. It has a pretty strong magnet on the back. Also in the matching pink for $4.99, this has a mirror on the front and it has two compartments instead of the one. This is $4.99. We also have it here in the green. Hi. This one is also $4.99. It's sort of a dusty bluish green sort of feel. You guys, it's a different sort of green. I don't really know if I like it or not. This is $6.99. This is a magnetic photo grid, and the magnets are on the corners. This is a locker accessory kit. What do we get? We get a magnetic dry erase board, a magnetic mirror, a magnetic utility cup, a magnetic dry erase marker, and two magnets. That's a little picture of what it might look like. And they also have it in a very pretty gold, and then I think this back here is sort of a marble theme. Super pretty. This is a really big mirror. This is probably the biggest magnetic mirror I've ever seen for a locker, you guys. It is huge, and it's $5.99. And then we have one that's much smaller. And yes, you guys, this takes batteries. It turns on and it becomes a little vanity, almost like a, mini phone, like selfie ring light sort of light up scenario. You guys see the lights here? That's $11.99. And then we have some magnetic wallpaper. That's really cute. Feels kind of heavy. That's $8.99. And then a little tassel rug for $6.99. And for $3.99, some little flower magnets. A lot of these items are kind of pricey, and I think if you guys watch this video for inspiration, there might be some pieces that you want to try to make yourself. There might be some pieces that you want to purchase here, or maybe a combination of the two. This is a 12-inch tall shelf, and I'll let you guys look at it up close. This is what it does. It sort of stands up, and then you put books under and on top. That's $7.49. Ooh, I like this. This little pineapple cork board, and it's magnetic for $5.99. And they also have the little marquee letter boards for $7.99. But if you guys want a cheaper one, come over to the More Than Magic display. They have one over here for $5.99. And you guys, it comes with, look, 145 letters and symbols. You guys be sure to click right here if you want to see my More Than Magic video that I just filmed for you guys. It's full of school supplies and super girly and pretty back to school supplies. I really love that line. Now you guys, this one is out of place. I really don't know how much it is, but it's a little succulent magnet. We have a cute little days of the week whiteboard for $3.99. Another letterboard with the white and black for $7.99. This one is out of place, you guys. This bigger one, well, this little one should be up here. I'm kind of cleaning up as I go. I just saw these too. And I saw this mirror, but I'm really not sure on the pricing. This one is larger, you guys, at 8.5 inches by 11. This is about the size of a sheet of paper. And then we have the green down here, the green locker shelves for $7.49 for the 12-inch and $6.49 for the 8-inch. That's going to be the same for the pink, except some of them are out of place. Again, the 8-inch for $6.49 and the 12-inch for $7.49. They've also added some hanging shelves. This is $15.99. It is really, really heavy. This is like a hanging shelf system by the brand 5 Star, and it's guaranteed to last all year. Also by 5 Star, they have a stackable locker shelf for $14.99. It says it can hold up to 150 pounds. You guys definitely turn on notifications for future videos because I will be back here in Target probably every single week for quite some time. You guys, they have backpacks, they have lunch boxes and bags, they have cute binders. I mean, you guys, there is so much to look at. So definitely turn on your notifications, you guys. I post every single day. Okay, you guys, here we are on the other side of the locker decor, and I'm seeing two things that were over here out of place that we can actually put away, and we can find the price for them. Okay, so we have these metallic clip magnets. These are $3.99. And then this little succulent baby, it's so cute. They had something very similar to this last year, if not identical. That's $3.99. The magnetic mesh half cups, these are $4.99. $3.49 for this kind of like a charcoal gray mesh cup. $4.99 for this. So far we have that kind of greenish color, we have pink, and we have gray. I really like this one. $3.99 for this one. That's nice. It's a really different size. It looks like it would hold like maybe a couple journals, some pens, maybe your phone, maybe some keys. It looks like it would hold a lot. This is plastic for $2.99. And this, oh my gosh, you guys, they even have a little LED puck light for $5.99. These are plastic also in the all white with just some gold accents for $8.99. And is this gray? Yes, this is a very dark gray that matches this for $8.99. Again, we get all of these items for $8.99. Look at this mirror. Wow, they have some really fancy locker mirrors out this year. That's $5.99. And they have even more varieties of the very heavy magnetic wallpaper. I really like this print. They also have this one. And they have the gold and white. And you guys remember on the other side here, they have this one. Super cute. Okay, you guys, let's decorate our locker. That is so cute. I love that. Yeah, this one's mine right here. Going places. That is so cute. Look at these little pom-pom curtains. They're just like little hanging down pom-poms for $8.99. The fur rug is $6.99. I think it is super cute, but I challenge you guys to try to make one for yourself that's cheaper. I really don't think you need to spend $6.99. I mean, you guys, the dimensions, here are the dimensions. Tag me on Instagram if you guys make any fur rugs for your lockers. Tag me at Bunny Birdy Gator on Instagram. You guys, this is 9.8 inches by 11.4. You heard it here. Now you guys have the dimensions. You can go out, you can cut something from home that you may have, and you guys can make your own little fur rug for your locker and save $6.99 and maybe spend that $6.99 on something else that might be a little harder to make. These are so cute, you guys. I think you guys can make these as well. These are the little pom-pom magnets. I love those. And then what do we have down here? I think we have a light up box that says going places. Can we try it out? Sorry, you guys, we can't try it out. This is a little LED light box. Oh, the disco balls are back from last year, you guys. I think they're a little bit smaller though, for $14.99, the disco balls. And then we also have the magnetic LED, what are they calling these? Firefly lights. They have the gold LED string lights for $5.99. They added a couple more 5-star things here. This feels really, really sturdy and it's guaranteed to last all year. I'm not really sure how much that is. It's kind of out of place. They also have some locker locks, some combo locks. I like how that feels when it turns. That's $7.99. This one is $3.49, and this one is also $3.49. You guys, I used to have dreams when I was in school about forgetting my combo. I swear, you guys, I would have that dream all the time. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever had that dream, if you're a student. Look at this, you guys. This is a tassel light. It kind of matches the aesthetic of the pom-poms a little bit, kinda. It's cute though, if you're really into tassels. That's $14.99. And then we have a cute prism light here. Super cute. Also $14.99. Down here, you guys, we have additional shelves in the charcoal. The 8-inch for $6.49, the 12-inch for $7.49, and some additional little kits like this. I don't think it comes with it, does it? Oh, it does, you guys. This is the locker starter kit for $14.99. You get a 10-inch shelf, and then you get one of these. Okay, so one of these is normally $8.99. Okay, so that's about $9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for $6, you're getting a shelf, and it's a little bit bigger than the one that costs $6.49. So you're saving a little bit of money here. You're saving about 50 cents to $1.50 by getting the kit. Wow, you guys, they have a lot of cute things in here for back to school. I can't wait to look at the backpacks and share all the backpacks with you guys because I love everything so sparkly and pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, if I was a little girl, I would just want the prettiest stuff, you guys. But when I was a little girl, all my backpacks and things, they were like super basic. Like, look at this. When I was a kid, you guys, they didn't even have stuff like this out. That was just so cute and pretty and girly and amazing. So those of you that are kids that are watching this video, just know how lucky you guys are that they have awesome back to school supplies and locker decor and all of these things. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me for this video. I am definitely gonna be coming back to Target to share more back to school goodness with you guys. So show me lots of love if you want to see more videos here in Target, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.